In a lively town nestled along a winding river, there lived a carpenter named Ben. Known for his exceptional skills, Ben was respected for crafting beautiful homes and sturdy furniture. But beyond his talent, he was a man of quiet determination, always seeking ways to use his skills for the greater good. One year, after an unusually heavy storm, disaster struck. The river overflowed, and the town's only bridge was swept away by the raging waters. This bridge connected the two sides of the town, and its loss created chaos. Families were separated, businesses on both sides struggled, and children couldn't attend school. The townspeople were in despair. Meetings were held to discuss rebuilding, but disagreements over funding and responsibility delayed progress. While others argued and waited for someone else to take action, Ben began to think deeply about the problem. He realized that the bridge wasn't just a structure, it was the lifeline of the community. One evening, as he stood by the river, Ben made a decision. He would rebuild the bridge himself, using whatever resources he had. The task was daunting as he had no official support, limited money, and the project was far bigger than anything he had ever attempted. But Ben believed in the power of action and knew that waiting wouldn't solve the town's problem. The very next day, Ben gathered tools and began working. He salvaged wood from the remnants of the old bridge and used leftover materials from his previous projects. With every hammer stroke and saw cut, Ben poured his heart into the project. At first, people scoffed. "Ben, why are you doing this on your own? It's not your responsibility," some said. Others mocked. "This is a job for the government, not a carpenter." But Ben, calm and focused, replied, "A bridge isn't just about wood and nails. It's about connecting lives. If I can help, why should I wait?" Day by day, Ben worked tirelessly, through scorching heat and pouring rain. Slowly but steadily, the bridge began to take shape. As weeks passed, the townspeople's skepticism turned to curiosity, then admiration. Some even offered to help, inspired by Ben's determination and selflessness. After months of hard work, the bridge was completed. On the day it reopened, the entire town gathered to celebrate. Families who had been separated embraced, businesses buzzed with activity, and children laughed as they crossed the bridge to school. The mayor, deeply moved, declared, "This bridge isn't just a structure, it's a symbol of what one person's vision and dedication can achieve." Ben didn't wait for permission or recognition, he simply saw a need and took action. When asked why he undertook such a monumental task, Ben replied, "I saw a problem that I could help solve." True success isn't about what you achieve for yourself, it's about how you use your talents to make life better for others. The new bridge not only reconnected the town but also united its people. It became a symbol of hope, resilience, and the power of taking initiative. Ben's story spread beyond the town, inspiring others to recognize the impact one person can have when they step up to meet a need. Moral of the story: true success lies in selflessness and taking action to create positive change. When you use your talents to help others, you build more than solutions, you build connections, hope, and a legacy that inspires others to rise to challenges and make a difference.